Luna, don't touch that. Delicado.
Luna,
Poison na to. Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to our backyard. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Already sobrang mainit dito sa Laguna. Grabe ang dog days ng summer. So, today is Monday morning. It is both Aicy and I's rest day. So we're gonna start it like we do any other. Fertilizing the plants, pulling weeds, you know, tender stuff. Icy's in full tita mode. You wanna help Daddy weed the plants? Wait, pawis. Luna, come on, we gotta go over here. We're gonna fertilize the melon and the watermelon muna.
there's another residue. Do not touch it, Luna.
Yeah, don't touch it. Tara. So I just discovered a pleasant surprise as I was fertilizing the plants. We have a whole new planting area. So the girls must have cleared out this area. It was full of like these big invasive bushes. Medyo maganda, so I left it for the last year, but yeah, this is gonna be good space for planting. So I think maybe we'll put like some herbs and things like that there. It'll be good for the rainy season. It's your what? The what, Dal?
I don't know what. Luna, what are you looking for?
Sometimes we don't understand their English.
Pencil?
Paint?
Ah, pink hill.
Pink hill?
Yeah.
Unsa na pink hill?
It's true. The pink with hill.
Ah, the
word.
heel. I
Yeah,
thought
pink
hill.
heel.
Ay, nako. All right, so you saw a little bit about my early morning garden routine. So have to do that every day of the week. Keep everything fresh to death and healthy. But now we are returning to our previous plan of going to the dentist. If you saw my last vlog, you saw that that didn't work out. Also, we have to take Luna to the doctor because she's got some little rashes going on. Hopefully nothing serious, but just to make sure. And of course, the Tres Marias here are all dressed up, looking nice for their outing, and I look like a bum, per usual. Luna, you ready to go to the doctor?
No.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna go to the doctor? Why?
Help.
Are you sick?
Later. Luna, just wait.
All right, we are here at Global Care Medical Center of Kanlubong. Gonna take baby Luna in to get checked out. So I haven't been to any kind of doctor's office, hospital, anything since this whole new reality set in, so this should be interesting. So we had to go get surgical masks, not the cloth masks, to go inside. So the doctor just got here, only 20 minutes late, so that's not too bad for Philippine Standard Time. So Luna's been really good, surprisingly. Her and another kid were like singing a duet of Let It Go, Let It Go. It's really cute. All right, so we finished at the doctor's. Luna did surprisingly well. Proud papa ako. So isang ora lang and walang bad news, so carry on. Now I think we're going to the dentist. It's like a marathon of doctor's visits today.
Ingat na? Oo. Ako sila ilaluin na kayo. Hala.
Luna, what's your order, ma'am?
What's your order, Lon?
Hello, magandang hapon. Ano para sa iyo?
French fries daw. One na po C3 ako S3. Isang S3. What happened?
Isang S3?
Oo. Isang C1. Tapos isang Y1.
Isang Y1.
Oo. How about you, babe?
Tapos, available ang champ?
Available, sir. Willing to wait lang po. 15 minutes.
Okay, pwede.
Okay.
Tapos, Isang ultimate burger steak.
Oh, ultimate burger.
Yeah.
Be drink, sir?
Wala para sa akin. Just solo lang.
Solo lang.
Drinks para sa'yo.
Para po sa S3, C1 din, Y1 po.
Coke lahat.
Coke lahat po yung drinks.
Tapos kay Luna.
Isang baso ng tubig.
Pwede isang basong tubig din, sir?
Yes, sir.
Oo, sa aso namin. Just wait. Okay na yun na lang.
Ang total bayarin namin sa Jollibee ay 666. 666. Oh, ang lucky.
Lucky number.
Salamat, ma'am. Ingat.
Ano namin sa 667 ba eh?
Yeah, man. Like, just change it. Charge us an extra peso na lang. Oh, now I'm gonna be worried all day.
50 centavos. Dahil
nauuha ka?
Kami man duha sa tubag di ako galing sa imong bangko ko sa Manila.
Poor Leila, so thirsty. Alright, after a whirlwind commute through Calamba City, we arrived at the dentist's office. Only 10 minutes late, aka tama sa oras sa Pilipinas. Joke lang, char lang. You know, I have to make jokes about Filipino time. That's my way of venting the frustration. Basta Luna gonna get her teeth clean. You gonna see the dentist? Luna, you gonna let the dentist check your teeth?
Popo after. Go. Don't drink, ah. Just popo after. Popo here. Popo here. Okay.
Good job.
Popo. Your teeth is ew. Your teeth is ew.
It's dirty again?
Yeah, it's yucky.
Huh?
Yucky teeth.
Yeah, she has like tartar or something. Sometimes.
I'm not touching it. It's hot. It will... Talaga daw po namin. Start na ng ano. Kahit dinabrush na namin yan.
Magbabalan ng milk. Nakababad ba ang
Hindi yan nag-milk. Ay, talaga. Hindi. Ganyan.
Ito, kahit na ano.
Sige na. Ang hirap na.
Wala naman ng kakain, inom.
No.
Let's see your teeth. Let's see your teeth. Oh my gosh. Watch out, Miss Universe 2032. Let's go.
We're going out na?
Okay, bye.
Okay, let's go. Luna.
Whew. All right, 6:30 p.m. We finally made it home. What a long but very productive day. So it was a day of health and preventative maintenance. Pinaka-importante ang malusog na katawan. At least para sa akin, that's my priority. And for Luna too. So I spend a lot of money on things like the dentist and like buying organic foods and, you know, fresh foods instead of packaged foods. But para sa akin, worth it na lang because it's an investment in health. So for any of you guys dito sa Pilipinas, one of my lodis sa YouTube vlogging world, Will Dasovich, I follow a lot of his health tips. It's wonderful stuff. Good for the mind, body, and soul. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little maintenance here in the yard. Gotta water the plants and just clean up some of the weeds. And that's it, pansit. So I had a plan to edit a really nice vlog. At least in my mind, it's a nice vlog. But, you know, if you guys are not familiar with the vlogging world, it takes like maybe 4 hours to do like a nice vlog, not just put together a bunch of random clips like this one. And you know, Monday's my only day off, so sometimes I'm out running around. That's why it usually takes a week or two in between vlogs, because that's just how my free time schedule works versus like full-time vloggers to bother making content, editing araw-araw ganyan. But I can't do that, so salamat sa patience. Yeah, salamat sa pasensya mo sa akin. So tired, I'm running out of Tagalog. Basta, have a good night. Thank you guys if you made it this far. See you in the next one. Peace out.